Don't lease the Mercer until you learn this load booking strategy. Welcome back to another episode of Smooth Operator Trucking, where we create the dream 1 mile at a time. Today we're going to be talking about load booking strategies at Mercer Transportation, and we're getting started right now.
One, two, three, four.
Before you sign that lease with Mercer, stop for a second. If you don't understand this one load booking strategy, you can end up making thousands less every month, and it has nothing to do with your driving skills. If you are thinking about leasing the Mercer or you're already leased on, this video is for you. Today I'm breaking down a load booking strategy that experienced owner operators use to increase their revenue, reduce deadhead, and stay profitable. This is not something that most people explain when they're getting started. The biggest mistake new owner operators make is grabbing the first load that looks good. A load paying $2.80 a mile might sound good, but if it takes you into a weak freight area, your next load could pay a lot less, or you could sit for a day or two waiting. Instead, think in terms of multiple loads, not just the one in front of you. Before booking any load, ask yourself, where does the load deliver? What is the freight market like there? Are there enough outbound loads? How much deadhead will I need for my next pickup? What's my average revenue over the next 2 or 3 loads, not just this one? Experienced drivers plan for 2 or 3 moves ahead, and that's actually where the money is made. For example, you might turn down a load paying $3 per mile because it delivers into a slow market. Instead, take a $2.50 per mile load into a strong freight area where you can immediately grab another high paying load. Over the week, your total revenue is going to be higher because your truck keeps moving instead of sitting. The goal isn't to chase the highest paying load. The goal is to maximize your weekly profit by minimizing downtime and keeping your wheels turning. That's the difference between drivers who stay busy and drivers who constantly wonder why they're not making enough money. If you are considering leasing onto Mercer, learn how to read freight markets before you sign anything. It'll save you costly mistakes and help you earn more from day one. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more owner operator strategies. And let me know in the comments, what's the biggest question you have about Mercer or load booking? Maybe it's something I'll be able to cover in another video. Like I always say, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Hard times don't last, hard truckers do. And last but definitely not least, stay smooth, my friends.